Hello students, welcome to Global Online. In today's lecture, we are going to see NTA UGC NET Paper 2 Commerce 2022 batch, and this is a lecture second of unit number 10, that is income tax. Okay, and in this unit we are going to see about the agriculture income. What is the agriculture income? What is a non-agriculture income? What different things will be included in the agriculture income? All these things we are going to see in this unit. Okay, and this is one of the most important topic under this unit because there will be one question which will be related to the agriculture income. Okay, so don't skip this lecture, do watch this lecture. Okay. Before we start with the lecture, I want to tell you that we the Global Online providing the course for the paper 1, in which we are providing you the daily life lecture, notes on all the topic, last 10-year question papers with a detailed explanation, test series covering 2500 MCQ with the detailed explanation. To get this, download our app Global Online or WhatsApp on this number. Okay, and the fees for this is 3500 rupees only. Students, we are also providing course for the UGC NET Commerce Paper 2, for which you have to download our app, that is Global Online, from your Play Store. Once you download the app, you have to register your number and go in the store and search for the UGC NET Commerce Paper 2. In this course, you are getting the complete video lectures on all the unit, notes on all the unit, test series, plus the previous year question papers with a detailed explanation and target based preparation. And if you are taking this course, the paper 1 you will get the free of cost. No need to buy the paper 1 separately. Okay, and the cost of this course is 7000 rupees only. So here is the agriculture income. It's one of the most important topic under this unit. So what is agriculture income, or when we consider the income is from the agriculture? The answer will be any rent or a revenue derived from the land which is situated in India and it's a use for the agriculture purpose. If we are having a land in India and we are using that land for the agriculture purpose, we are doing something in that land. Okay, that time we consider the income which we get from that, it is called the agriculture income. Another condition will be any income derived from such a land by an agriculture operation or any process by a cultivator or a receiver of a rent in a kind which render the produce the feed for the market or the sale of such a product. So here what we are saying that the land which we use for the agriculture operation and whatever we cultivate in that agriculture, in that land, we are selling that in the market. Any income from the farmhouse, any income which we receive from the farmhouse, that will be the agriculture income. You have to remember one thing is that the capital gain arising from the transfer of the agriculture land shall not be treated as a agriculture income. Whatever capital gain which arises because of the transfer of the agriculture land will not be treated as an agriculture income. Here what we are doing, we are transferring our agriculture land. Okay, and after transferring the land we are getting some capital, but that will be not treated as an agriculture income. Okay, if the following conditions are satisfied, the income from the land is treated as a agriculture income. To treat that as an agriculture income, there are a certain conditions which we have to satisfy. Let's see what are these conditions. The first condition is the land must be situated in India. If the land is situated outside the India, the income from such a land will not be treated as an agriculture income. Okay, if we are having a land in India and we are doing the agriculture in that particular land, that time we consider that is an agriculture income. But supposing if I am an Indian and I'm having a land in a different country and I'm doing something there in that country, that time it is not treated as a agriculture income. Okay. Second condition is land must be used for the agriculture purpose. It means tilling of the land, watering it, sowing of the seeds, planting and a similar operation on the land must be carried out by the assessee. Whatever land is there, it must be used for the agriculture purpose only. Okay, then only we can say the income from the agriculture. Whatever income we will get from that time we are saying it is agriculture income. Okay. Third condition is the receiver of the income from the land must have an interest in the land. The landlord or a tenant or a mortgage of the land has an interest in the land. If a person purchases a standing crop and after cutting it, selling it and make a profit, the profit is not an agricultural income. And the last point here is the direct income from the agriculture will be treated as a agriculture income. Okay. For example, if I'm cultivating something in my land, that time we can say that whatever income I will get, it will be the agriculture income. It will be treated as a agriculture income. Okay. But and the indirect income from the agriculture is not a agriculture income. For example, the salary of the farm manager or a dividend from the company engaged in the agriculture activity is not a agriculture income. Supposing one worker is there who is working for me and I am paying him a salary. That time that salary in his account will be not considered as agriculture income. That is a salary for him and not that agriculture income. Okay. Then is a kinds of a agriculture income. First one is rent or a revenue derived from the land. Second one is income from the agriculture operation. Whatever we are doing in agriculture land, from that we are getting some income. So it is called the income from the agriculture operation. Then is income from making the product fit for the market. Yes. Then is a income from the sale of the product. Whatever we are producing, we are selling that in a market and from that we are getting the income. So it is called the income from the sale of the product. Okay. Then is a income from the farmhouse. Whatever income we are getting from the farmhouse, that will be treated as a agriculture income. And income from the saplings or seedlings. Partly agriculture income. Okay, what different agriculture income are there which we treat as a partly agriculture and not a wholly agriculture? Sometimes there is a composite income which is a partly agriculture and a partly non-agriculture. Okay, means half of the income we are treating as a agriculture income and half we are treating as a non-agriculture income. For determining the non-agriculture income chargeable to the tax, the market value of any agriculture produce which have been arise by the assessee and which has a any rent or a revenue derived from the land which is situated in India and is a use for the agriculture purpose. Any income derived from such a land by agriculture operation or any process for a cultivator or a receiver or a rent in a kind which render to produce fit for the market or the sale of such a produce, any income from farmhouse being utilized as a raw material in such a business shall be deducted, which we have learned in a previous slide. Okay, it is treated as a agriculture income. I have explained you this. No further deduction shall be made in respect of a cost of the cultivation incurred by the assessee as a cultivator. Okay. If supposing the cultivator, the assessee is there who is bearing some more cost, some extra cost for the cultivation. Okay. But that cost of cultivation, the extra cost which incurred will be not treated as a agriculture income. There will be a no deduction for this. As I said, there are some agriculture income which is partly treated as a agriculture and partly treated as a non-agriculture income. The example of a such is the income from growing and manufacturing tea. Okay, the people who are growing the tea and the income whatever they are getting from that will be 60% will be treated as a agriculture income. The 40% is a non-agriculture income. Okay. So here they will get a deduction of a 60%, but not for the 40%. On that 40%, there will be a tax which they have to pay. And second condition is income from growing and manufacturing the coffee. The people who are growing the coffee, they have to pay the tax on 25% and 75% is a deduction available as it is treated as a agriculture income. Important points regarding the computation of a agriculture income. How we are going to compute the agriculture income? For that, the first point is the agriculture income by a way of a rent or a revenue derived from the land which is situated in India is used for the agriculture purpose is computed as if it is where the income chargeable to the income tax under the head income from the other source. Please remember this, okay? Whatever income we will get from the land which is situated in India and we use that land for the agriculture purpose, and from that whatever income we will get, that will be chargeable to the income tax under the head income from the other source. Okay, that is one head while filing the income tax return, that is the income from the other source. So we have to put this agriculture income there. Okay. Second one is agriculture income from the agriculture building. Here the word remember is agriculture building we are seeing. Okay, is computed as if it is where the income is chargeable to the income tax under the head income from the house property. So whenever you receive the word like a building, okay, agriculture building, please remember it will become under the income from the house property. Okay. And third point is any other income is computed as it where the income chargeable to the income tax under the head profit and the gain of a business or a profession. Okay, if you receive the income agriculture income other than these two, first and the second point, then it will be considered as a profit and a gain of a business or a profession. Some of the non-agriculture income from the lands are the following income are not derived from the land used for the agriculture purpose and hence they are treated as a non-agriculture income. The first point is income from the markets. Okay, it is a non-agriculture income. Then is income from the stone quarries. It will be treated as a non-agriculture income. Income mining royalties. Okay. The fourth point is income from the land used for the storing agriculture product. Here what we are doing, we are storing the agriculture product. We are not cultivating there. So we will not get any deduction and it will be considered as a non-agriculture income. Then is income from the supply of water for a irrigation purpose. For example, income from the supply of water for a irrigation farm to well or a well as it does not involve any agriculture operation. So here we are supplying the water for the irrigation purpose. Yes, correct. But that water is not used for the agriculture operation or agriculture purpose. That time we can't say it is an agriculture income. So it is a non-agriculture income. Then is income from the self-grown grass, trees or bamboos. It is not considered as an agriculture income. Then is income from the fisheries. Whatever income we will get from the fisheries is not considered as a agriculture income. Income from the sale of earth of a brick making will be not considered as agriculture income. It is a non-agriculture income. Then is remuneration received as a manager of the agriculture farm. If you are a manager and you are receiving the any amount, any remuneration from the agriculture farm, it will be not considered as agriculture income. It is a non-agriculture income. Okay. Dividend from the company engaged in the agriculture. Whatever dividend, whatever interest we are receiving from the company which is engaged in agriculture income. It will be not considered as a agriculture income, it is a non-agriculture income. Then is income by the buyer of the reap rope will be not considered as a agriculture income again. The income from the dairy farm will be not considered as a agriculture income, it is a non-agriculture income. The dairy farm will be not included in the agriculture income. And last one is income from the interest on the arrival of a rent of a agricultural land is not again considered as a agriculture income. So this is all about the agriculture income. So what we learn in this lecture: what is agriculture income, what different things will be included in the agriculture income, how we compute the agriculture income, when we are saying the partly agriculture income and partly non-agriculture income, and what different things are there which will be not considered as a agriculture income or we consider as a non-agriculture income.